I'm Bharti. Welcome to the Edu Bulletin. Let's dive into today's educational news. On Teachers' Day, the PM hailed educators for their compassion and commitment, describing their role in shaping young minds and building the nation as truly noteworthy. Celebrated annually on 5th September, the day marks the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, a revered teacher and philosopher. CBSE releases registration schedule for children with special needs appearing in Class 10 and 12 Board Examinations 2026. Schools must identify eligible students in the LOC and upload documents to ensure exam-related support, with registration window opening on 9 September 2025. Debujit Ghosh, principal of Namsang Tea Garden Model School in Assam, received the National Teachers Award 2025 from the President today. He travels 150 km daily through muddy roads and elephant corridors near Dihing Patkai National Park and is credited with bringing to 67 dropouts back to school, improving student health, and ensuring that all Class 10 graduates pursue higher studies. The Design Village has made history as the first Indian design school to establish an international campus in Europe. Located in Italy, the new campus aims to blend Indian and European design education, offering students global exposure, cultural immersion, and industry collaborations. It will provide opportunities to engage with Italian design, sustainable practices, and the European design ecosystem, while remaining rooted in the values of Indian design traditions. India shines at the 18th International Olympiad on Astronomy and Astrophysics 2025 held in Mumbai, competing against nearly 300 students from 64 countries. Indian team wins 4 gold medals and 1 silver, securing overall rank 1 in the prestigious event, first time India hosted IOAA since its launch in 2007. The Ministry of Tribal Affairs launches Adi Vani, an AI translator for tribal languages, as part of Janjatiya Gaurav Varsh marking the 150th birth anniversary of Birsa Munda. Beta version supports Santali, Bhili, Mundari, and Gondi, with Kui and Garo to be added soon, while India's 2011 census recorded 461 tribal languages and 71 distinct mother tongues. Thanks for watching. For all the latest updates, stay tuned with the Edu Bulletin. Save the number 72170701000 and send "Hi" on WhatsApp to receive daily educational news and updates.